istighfar 100 times. In another hadith, the Prophet ﷺ said, sometimes there are some days that I do istighfar 70 times. So the Prophet ﷺ also, it is a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ to do istighfar every day, regularly, many, many times. So in the hadith it comes, man lazim al istighfar, the one who has a habit of doing istighfar, ja'ala Allahu lahu min kulli ziqin makhraj. And Allah is going to give him an exit from each and every problem of the world. وَمِن كُلِّ هَمٍّ فَرَجًا. And Allah is going to give him an exit from all the depressions and tensions of the world. وَرَزَقَهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. And Allah is going to give him a rizq from where, sustenance from such a place that he had not even expected. So this is the situation, this is the level of the person who does istighfar in abundance. So 3 types of people will definitely get help from Allah. The first one is the one who remembers Allah, and among all of these remembrances and all these azkar, one of the best ones is doing istighfar.